Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A26. In order to factory reset it to the default settings, go to Settings, then scroll down until you see General Management. Now click on Reset, and then you can just go to Factory Data Reset, then scroll down and click on Reset. And by the way, if you are logged into a Samsung account, you may need to enter the Samsung account password in order to reset your phone. Now we just need to wait until the phone reboots. And now your phone is reset and ready to be set up. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.